That shark's in here, man!
If they're really attracted to blood, then it's in my room attacking the boxers I wore the day Francine made tacos.
Just leave me behind. I am bad in a crisis, and it got Haley killed.
Don't give up, Dad. We got the window closed, and we'll find her.
It's the ghost of Haley risen up from the depths of hell. She has unfinished business with me. Leave me be, Spectre!
No, she's alive! Why would you assume she went to hell? Haley! What's in the bottom of your mattress, Steve? So many of the girls are Asian. And pregnant.
She's not in here. We should keep moving.
Shark! Oh, thank God, it's just a dead girl. Ah!
Roger, you came back for me.
Okay.
Do you want to come to dinner at my parents' house on Tuesday? What did you find? Is it Haley?
No, it's nothing, just a cushion.
We're gonna have lots of babies.
No.
She's not in here either. Where's your father?
The shark got him!
Stan! Haley! I don't see any... Haley!
Careful. The shark let me go when I jammed my one hitter in its eye, but I think it's still here somewhere.
Hang on, Haley. Mama's coming.
Does anyone have chapstick?
I got you, honey. It's okay. Go, go, go! We have to go up! We did it! We got away!
Okay. According to the blueprint, it's hungry for flesh and